2020 Hyundai Tucson has been launched in India. This is a mid-life refresh to the third generation Tucson and was previously showcased at the Auto Expo 2020. In its new avatar, the SUV gets a handful of cosmetic tweaks, a new interior layout and several additional features as compared to the previous model. Hyundai Tucson facelift is now available with a choice between 2-liter petrol and diesel engines, both of which are compliant with BS6 emission standards. This flagship Hyundai SUV will compete with rivals like Jeep Compass, Volkswagen T-Roc and Skoda Karoq. The new Tucson sports the same silhouette as its predecessor but gets several new design elements which lend the SUV a modern styling. These include a bigger cascading grille which is flanked by a large swept-backed pent-up projector LED headlamps with LED DRLs. The SUV also gets a new front bumper with unique fog lamp housing which enhances the front fascia of it. Coming to the sides, the Tucson gets a massive 225/55 rubber wrapped around all new 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels. To add off-roading characteristics to the Tucson, it gets well-defined purposeful skid plates all around the SUV. Chrome-finished door handles and chrome belt line are standard offerings on the new Tucson. The blackened-out roof rails does give the SUV a sportier nature. The rear side gets all new redesigned taillights with new LED signature to it. The twin chrome exhaust comes as standard on all diesel variants and the rear reflectors are placed higher up so as to easily get noticed by the rear traffic. On the inside, the Tucson offers an all-black upholstery with soft padding which gives a rich and comfortable feel inside the cabin. The new interior layout gets a floating touchscreen system as opposed to the integrated unit on the previous model. It is an 8-inch touchscreen coupled with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The dual-zone climate control with rear AC vents works seamlessly. The new Tucson offers 10-way electrically adjustable driver seats and an 8-way electrically adjustable passenger seats as well. Big window panes and panoramic sunroof ensures the interplay of light and air inside the cabin. 2 USBs and 12-volt sockets and a wireless charger mean no occupants would be tussling to dock their smartphones. That said, it is a connected SUV with oodles of features thanks to Hyundai's Blue Link. The rear seat gets reclining function which enhances the comfortness inside the SUV. To add more convenience to the SUV, you also get hands-free smart power tailgate with height adjustments. A number of safety features like 6 airbags, electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, hill start assist control, downhill brake control, front and rear parking sensors, etc. are offered in the all-new Tucson. Tucson 2020 is at its best when it's on the move and builds on its drive capabilities with the new BS6 compliant petrol and diesel engine options. This review unit had a 2-liter diesel engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission box and with 182 bhp of power and 400 Newton meters of torque. And these aren't just numbers but actually manifest when the Tucson gets a move on. The rev bands are sufficiently large to allow this SUV to move with a sense of swift purpose, especially in the sport mode. But even in the comfort or eco mode, Tucson manages to munch miles as effortlessly as it always has. There is a clear sense that despite its largish road presence, Tucson is as much at home within city limits and doing commute miles as it would be out on the open highways. Overtaking is a breeze, and while the lack of feedback from the steering may have its flaws at triple-digit speeds, the same allows for a flexible handling while weaving in and out of traffic. The suspension setup is nearly perfect, and unless you, for reasons best known to you, decide to throw the car at speed over potholes and road bumps, there won't be much to complain about as far as the ride comfort of the new Tucson is concerned. With prices starting at 22.30 to 27.03 lakhs, ex-showroom Bangalore, Tucson 2020 continues to target a rather niche SUV buyer who is on the lookout for a confident ride and drive option rather than one that is outright flashy. For inquiries, bookings, and test drives, do contact Blue Hyundai, Mysore Road, Bangalore.